Alright, 361 Corpus Christi, Texas here. So I got family on a cruise that's over in Hurricane Tammy. So I'm just scanning the weather bands here. And I noticed that on wx4, if you listen to the background of the transmission, there's nothing.
Waters from Baffin Bay to Port O'Connor. Rest of tonight. South winds 5 to 10 knots. Bay and inland waters smooth.
But if I go over to Weather Channel 4, behind the transmission, there's a beeping sound.
A chance of showers. Monday night, southeast winds around 15 knots. Seas 3 to 5 feet. Tuesday, southeast winds around 15 knots. Seas 3 to 5 feet. Tuesday night, southeast winds 15 to 20 knots. Seas 4 to 6 feet with occasional seas up to 8 feet. Wednesday, southeast winds around 15 knots. Seas 4 to 6 feet with occasional seas up to 8 feet. A chance of showers. Wednesday night, southeast winds around 15 knots. Seas 4 to 6 feet with occasional
I
seas
go
up
to
to
Channel
8 feet.
5.
At 4:28 p.m. On Saturday,
There's
high
no
tide
beeping.
at 5:20.
And 3.
Estimated from Hurricane Hunter aircraft observations is 991 millibars, 29.26 inches. This is the NOAA weather radio station wx4 in Bureau's broadcasting on a frequency of 162.475 megahertz.
So if you go to 4,
2 feet in the morning, then 1 foot or less.
there's a beeping behind the
Saturday
transmission.
night, south winds around 10 knots.
I have no idea
increasing
what
to
the
10 to
beeping
15
is.
knots late. Seas 1 foot or less, then around 2
If anyone
feet
has an
after
idea
midnight.
what the beeping could be,
Sunday,
please
south winds 10
leave
to
a
15
comment
knots,
in the bottom.
becoming southeast late. Seas around 2 feet. Sunday night,
And like,
southeast
comment, and
winds
subscribe.
around 15 knots, increasing to 15 to 20 knots after midnight. Seas 2 to 4 feet. A chance of showers. Monday, southeast winds 15 to 20 knots.